How are you going to use these cards? Okay. All right. I tell you, when I was doing the research on making it easily accessible for the people, me and my Akashic guides, when we were working on, I saw that the information that was channeling, the designs which were channeling, the energy that was getting captured into the every graphic at that time was not in a structure. And at that time, I was like, I don't know what's happening. But as you know, I didn't want to put my logical brain as a barrier at that point of time. And once they are created, I understood this is the most wonderful way of just connecting with your cards, because this particular card deck, Akashic Healing Oracle cards by me, by Neha Singla, does not confine you in any theoretical pattern. And just unlike other cards which are available, it doesn't tell you that you need to, learn the meaning of these cards in this certain way. No, they are free. They are absolutely free with the any learning, with acquiring any skill which is theoretical. The more you get connected to them, you will be able to read them like very, very smoothly. However, every card explains the scenario, the soul contract very well. For example, you are doing a reading related to money issue and you get this card. So this card, there is one section on every card that has a title which explains what this energy is about. Overall, the collective energy of the soul contract, what it is about. It says eliminate ancestral poverty. Now, just below that, there is an explanation to the title, what where the energy is tapping into. Okay. And here in the third section of this part indicates the action to be taken corresponding to that. Isn't it wonderful? And rest of the things, when you see the graphic, you will see a lot. You will you will see a lot, and you just need to look at that what you are getting connected to. But this is not the only wonderful thing about learning these cards. I'm going to explain you more. How can you master the Akashic Healing Oracle cards very soon and very easily at the comfort of your home and wherever you are in just few days.